Hello friends, welcome to the channel Way to Treasure. We brought you another episode of Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So let's see how Bank Nifty has performed today on 17th of January 2022. Bank Nifty has opened at 38,269 and made a high of 38,617. But we cannot consider that as a high because like it's just a spike. But anyway, like it has made a high of 38,617 and made a low of 38,138 and closed at 38,243, which is 154 points down from yesterday's close. So if you see guys, like in our previous video, we have explained that 38,370 will be first form of resistance. And if you see, this has been negotiated almost till 11:15. It is trying to cross and close above 38,370, but it failed to do the same. And then it has reversed and settled over 38,243. So it is a quite tight range of 38,162 and 172, 38,370, which is just a 200-point move, and that is just 0.5% for Bank Nifty. But as you know that Bank Nifty itself made for volatility, so 200 points in Bank Nifty or 0.5% in Bank Nifty movement from high to low is completely a consolidation. And if you see from last 4 to 5 sessions, what Bank Nifty is doing, it's whether it's over make a gap up or gap down, it is trying to consolidate at that point. But I mean from last 4 to 5 sessions. So we are expecting that market to be volatile or maybe in one day direction in either tomorrow or maybe if not tomorrow, like it should be on Wednesday. So for now, like we are keeping the same levels for intact for tomorrow, which is resistance of 38,370 and 38,900. And on the support side should be 38,000 and 37,500. And we have seen that like no technical indicator even happened apart from selling at resistance as an indicator here. So there are no technical points. So now let's go into option chain and let's see like what option chain is saying. So welcome to NS India website, and I have opened Bank Nifty option chain. If you see the volume or the open interest or open contracts on the call side have increased by more than 69% from almost 7 lakhs to 11 lakhs. And on the put side, it has increased by 33% to 7.52 lakh. So from this, we can understand that the sellers are expecting the market to go down till the next expiry. And if you remember, like we have discussed about straddle in our previous video for 38,000. So 38,000 straddle was costing around 881 rupees. If you want, like you can see the previous video in the description box or on your right, you'll get that link. So now let's see like how much does that 38,000 straddle is doing. It's around 496 plus 205, which is 700, and you already got a profit of 181 rupees. So I hope like if you are a seller, like you'll try to go for max by keeping your risk low. So what my suggestion here, like this is just to make sure that if tomorrow something happens and the Bank Nifty is down by 4 to 5% in next 2 days, like to I mean to defend this, to attack or to defend this, like you can do one thing: you can buy 37,100 put option and 38,900 call option, so that by buying these two, like it will cost you somewhere around 156 rupees and still you are in a profit of 25 points. So this defense may help you if something happens to Bank Nifty, and if Bank Nifty make a 4% or 5% moves towards downside, or if it closes somewhere close to below 37,000 or above 39,000, then like this type of defensive strategy may help you. But hope like if it close I mean, between the break evens and all, like you'll be anyway in profit. And by making these two changes, you can become foolproof or loss proof. You can definitely make a profit in this trade by buying these two. We can, we can take a guarantee on that. And let's see the open contracts for the strike prices. So if you see, even in our last video, we have said that 38,000 and 38,500 has more open contracts. 38,000 put option has 75 lakh, and 38,500 have 98,000 contracts. So we are seeing these two as support and resistance, respectively. So I hope like you have liked this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you feel that this will help your friends, please share it to them. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe. And I hope like you got much of knowledge for how to trade on tomorrow. So we Team to Treasure signing off. Thank you. I want to make an announcement to the viewers. A subscriber only content is in progress. So a subscriber can expect a video on a successful strategy in Index, and a PDF file with case studies are provided to the subscribers, so that which can help you as a guide when you are executing that particular strategy. So to get that access to the content, you can subscribe to the channel and you'll receive the content once it is ready.